Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm here with West Kiss Hair, and y'all already know I love me some them. But y'all, look at this beautiful, beautiful chocolate brown wig. She is the giving. Look at the little knots. Look at how small those knots are. Y'all see that? But anyway, y'all, let's get into the deets. So I do have the 13x4 lace frontal wig. She's 22 inches. This color is in the color number 4. The cap size is a medium and the density is 180%. And as you guys can see, it comes with 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. So this is what the unit looks like that same day. I installed it. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't wash it or co-wash it. This is just what it's giving after I plucked it. That's why it's looking a little frizzy. I actually lost all footage. It was a lot going on this week, so I lost all footage towards the first install. So I'm gonna show you guys how to reinstall your units. Don't throw your wigs away. Reinstall them, girl. So this is a couple weeks later. This is the reinstall. This is the hair freshly washed and conditioned, and I actually used shampoo and condition that was for colored hair. I will leave it down below just in case you guys are interested. But as you guys can see, the lace is squeaky clean, no gunk, no dirt, no nothing. So this is how you want to start off the install. So we're gonna start off by placing the wig on our head. As you guys can see, when I first installed it, it came with a middle, well, it didn't come with a middle part. I created a middle part, so I'm just gonna use this as a guideline to install it. But look at her, y'all. Look at the curls. She's freshly washed and air dried, and this is how the curls turned out. They are super duper cute. But anyway, we're gonna have to retint the lace because when you wash it, if you wash it properly, all the lace tint should come right out. So I'm just retinting it to match my complexion, and I'm gonna seal it in with some hairspray and also using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. So the first thing you want to do is pull some of the hair back away from your face because you want the focal point to be the hairline. If you created baby hairs, you're going to have the baby hairs just sticking out all over the place. Okay, so I'm just going to fix it and line it up to my ears, ear tab to ear tab. And I'm just going to take a little bit of wax and push the baby hairs back into the hairline. And I'm going to also go in to hot comb it. Yeah, I'm just going to go in and hot comb it so it can be nice and flat. Also, you want to make sure that you get all the extra hair away from the hairline, because if you will glue it down as is, the baby hairs will be hard and you have to comb out all the white stuff and it just be too much work. You actually can do this on a mannequin head, but if you don't have a mannequin head, you're gonna have to use your own head. So that's why I just showed you guys how I did it on mine. Also, I always hot comb the hair before I install it because I don't want it burning my head. So I just lift up on the lace and then hot comb. So now I'm just going in with my Got to Be glue spray and I'm gonna work in sections. If you guys are not new to my channel, you already know I cut off the lace when I do installs anyway. So it's pretty much not gonna be that different or difficult to reinstall. It's gonna be the same process. I'm taking 1 to 2 to 3 layers of that Got to Be glue spray. And I'm taking my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, wait until it's tacky, and then we're going to lay it down. Now with reinstalling your wigs, pretty much the same process, like I said before, of how I install it, but I just work in sections, smaller sections than I would if I'm just doing it for the first time. I don't know why, but I just do it to make sure everything is just, you know, flawless. So we're just going to make sure that everything is super duper flat. Sometimes when I go in to reinstall it, it looks flat, but if you see a little like waves or you see a little crinkles in the lace, please make sure that you get those out before you fully secure it down. As you guys can see, I am stretching that lace, making sure it's super duper flat. Once I feel it's flat, I take my blow dryer once again, take my hands off, and I'm gonna take the back of my comb and push down on that lace just to reinforce it, to make sure there's no air bubbles, no waviness, no crinkles. I guess crinkles is a better word. And pretty much I'm gonna do that whole process again for the entire unit. So just work in sections. So baby, do you not see that hairline though? She is giving. One thing I really wish I hadn't did was overpluck, because I kind of overplucked on this unit. Y'all, I'm just going in to add some cream foundation. Y'all, I didn't really need that either, but this lace looks super good. Like, my mirror be doing me dirty sometimes. I'm like, baby, this look good. So as you guys can see in this clip, I have my elastic band on because I let it sit on for about 10 minutes, and boom and bam. Like, I feel like I should have just did a natural look. Like, I could have ended the video here. I could have did another middle part and just left it nice and poofy. But sometimes I feel like I just go off into the yonders, okay, and just be so extra, and extra is not needed. Sometimes naturalness is needed, okay. So I really wish I left the wig without doing this deep side part, the baby hairs, and all. But anyway, I'm going back in to hot comb it because, like I said, I'm doing a deep side part, and we want the part to lay a little bit flat. I actually went OD with the wax stick too and put too much wax on it. So just only put wax on the part you want lay flat. You do not need to run that hot comb all the way through it. Okay, it's not necessary. So look at this hairline, y'all. I can't get over how good this looks. Watching this footage, I'm mad I did the baby hairs. Why did I do the baby hairs? Okay, y'all. So I'm taking my mini flat iron and just making some under curls. That's what I'm gonna call them. I don't know. But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and swoop it, swoop it. So now I'm just going in with a lighter shade of cream foundation to define this part. Sometimes I get a little heavy handed, okay, and I start parting the Red Sea and my parts start looking too wide. So you can either use brown eyeshadow, or you can just go in with a makeup remover and just remove some of it, or just fill it in, because you don't want your part looking like you losing hair, okay, you balding. That's not the vibe. So lastly, we're just going in with my regular summer curly hair routine. And most of the time I just use straight up water, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. Water. I feel like just using water with this specific unit did the hair justice, okay? It just had it looking right. So y'all, I actually had this hair more than damp, okay? It was a little bit soaking wet. I actually had to take a towel and, kind of squeeze out some of that water because I was ODing. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go in with my dimming brush to define the curls. And then I'm just going to take my blow dryer on the cool heating setting and let it dry. Or I can just let it air dry. But y'all seen I went in with my blow dryer to just speed up the process a little bit. So I'm just going to give you guys an overall review of this unit. Y'all know this is my second time reinstalling it. So let's get it. So anyway, y'all, I love the color. Let me first say I'm obsessed with this chocolatey brown color. I think that's my first time having a curly unit in this color. don't hold me to that, but I feel like it is. But anyway, y'all already know I recommend you to co-wash unit straight out of the box if it's curly hair, especially if it's colored. Okay, colored unit, you need a little bit more love, because it's colored. Let me say this as well: the color did not stain, it did not bleed on my hands, it did not bleed on my clothes. The color did no such thing, so you don't have to worry about it bleeding all over the place. If you get in the pool, it's going in the pool. I wash and condition this hair. I let the conditioner in for about 30 minutes to an hour, and baby, it didn't stain my sink, ain't do none of that, so that is another plus. As far as shedding, I did get shedding during the plucking stage. I also did get shedding during my curly hair routine. So this unit will get shedding. It wasn't like a whole bunch and it coming out and stuff like that, but you are gonna get that. I did get tangles here and there. I did get a few snags and tags when I was running my hand store and when I went into detangle it to wash it. So just here and there, wasn't nothing major. But yeah, so this is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down below, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.